Don't got no primary.
Your primary's gone. We gotta go through this whole talking about this thing.
Alright guys, well, we are finally back with the softail after a 2-week hiatus.
Get some other projects.
Had to get to 056 and then we had to, now it's back to business.
So, didn't really get to see the teardown much because it was raining so hard in the building you couldn't hear what we were saying. So in order to get where we're at here, we had to take the rear wheel off in this cross bar here inside the swing arm.
Right there.
And then the belt slides on the wheel. In the process of this shifter arm here is loose. We got a new one of those already ordered and came in. Fixing to put it back together there. And we're running a thinner belt also. So later I can go to a smaller, thinner pulley here and run a wider tire.
Yes.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video today.
Yep, hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, so we're fixing to get this tire squared up to the bike because the belt's pulling to the inside of the transmission there.
It's still loose too.
And it's loose. So I took a measurement off the other side. We're just gonna make this match and make sure the belt's not too tight. That should be it. Give it a little turn here, one extra one. We'll lock it in and we're gonna roll the tire around.
Yeah, she's still a little loose. That's the way it came. Alright, now we're going to go on with the primary here. We did put a new bearing inside of it. And that holds the train. Tighten up. Torque it down. Is that all the inside of them?
That's all of them.
All of them?
All them right there, you just.
Yet. I can't do it sitting down. Can't get around that one.
clutch on it. Outer primary cover on. And by the way, this is a dry clutch, so there's no gasket. A good tight lock. Need to. Wow.
Anyway.
We're gonna mark these bolts here. That way, at a glance, when we just pop the cover off, we can tell if it's moved. Since we don't have to worry about oil going everywhere, we can pop that cover off and look.
Locking them in. That one just blew. That's the only one on that one too. I was coming back down the road and that son gun lost a bolt.
Spit a bolt out and
it locked the bike down. I'll get a screwdriver on there. Fast forward through this.
alright, while we're trying to find a screwdriver.
Yay, found a screwdriver.
Alright. Now.
Go ahead now.
Alright, go ahead, him says.
I get it, ain't no big deal. I help
I'll
you.
give it a sip.
About time for a new belt too, isn't it? It's another $100. That's what that HD stands for anyway.
That just
Sort of just sliding on there.
kind of just goes.
Yep.
Oh Lord, emergency. I guess it's in.
That's close, yeah. It needs to slide forward just a little bit on the back. So they got a gap here behind it. That's in. The belt itself needs to slide forward. Like in front. There it is. That's it.
And this?
Yep, that locks everything together. And it's reversed.
Backwards.
It's backwards as it gets.
Lefty tighty, righty loosey.
Whatever you want to say. It's backwards. There's a nut socket beside
Nah, I is it?
you. You tried to tighten it up, didn't you? I don't know the support spec on that one either.
Here's the book. Clutch and primary. So we're on the back of chapter 5. We should have all of our tool specs for our stuff here. Diaphragm.
Compensation sprocket nut, 150.
Clutch hub nut.
Do that one or this one?
It's this one.
Yep.
70 to 80 horse torques. Still spinning.
Okay, awesome. It's on there now. Okay, we're back again.
We're back. So we're just gonna give this thing a little bump on number 2 setting with impact.
Looks tight to me.
It's probably actually over now, but all right. Then this piece goes on. You see, it's got cutouts for your little X plus X. Then that screw.
Well, this just got to set in there right now.
That is your
Clutch adjuster.
clutch adjuster.
But now we got to get everything tightened up. We'll tight lock it down in a minute. It shouldn't need to be coming out because everything's still loose.
Oh.
Should be somewhere close to there.
And this is your spring plate.
This cover goes on it. Just bevel side down.
Right there.
It's a neat setup. And we did have a problem getting a bolt out of that clutch, the back of it that hold these, that this mounts to here. I'll get my words right in a minute.
Starter appendix in.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
It is okay.
Okay, you make it go in. He's going to make it.
No, that didn't work, did it?
Well, maybe we shouldn't have put that on first. There it is.
There's room.
It's got to hold your tongue right.
Stupid thing. There's room.
These tubes laid everywhere. I don't know where they're at.
Website.
These are good. I'm supposed to be more. Fill up the rest of it.
We worked on something. We got tools everywhere. Yeah. That ain't the right one. That's what I had. Not this one. 5/8.
Yes.
Done.
All right.
There's that one right there.
Use this one?
Yep.
You don't know. Convert it.
I'm working on it right now.
Probably like
12, I think. There's 9 foot-pounds.
so 108 inch-pounds converts over to
9.
9 foot-pounds. Stupid.
I'll set that in a minute. I do know how that one sets.
One.
That ain't much, is it?
Alright, that's it.
Next, we gotta set the clutch.
Throw up here.
Clutch throw up.
Right?
Yep. That's it. There's a little bit of play there, not much. 1/8 inch play, isn't it?
Yeah, 1/8 inch play on that. Sharpie, paint pen.
Paint pen.
I don't know if you want me putting red all over your shit.
Oh, is it? Yes, it's on.
Yes. It ain't on. It is on.
There we go.
Alright.
Fire it up, see what happens. Pigs back together. Pigs. Everything's spinning.
Everything's spinning.
So what happens? Well, we ran into the major issue again. Put the starter back together. Something like this. Put it in there and tried to tighten it to the starter, but in the meantime, this bushing that goes to the starter
It fell off.
had fallen down inside the back of the primary there, so we've got it back now. And now we're going to try to feed it back together again.
Alright, he's gonna hook the battery back up. Let's see if this thing will start. Probably will.
Day. We're done. I'm out.
Yeah, he's fucking retired.
Where's your jump box at, or you? Huh? Yeah.
It splooged everywhere.
I hate that thing.
We're gonna put it on charge for a minute. Change his fuel filter out. Let's see if it'll fire up here shortly. Alright folks, so battery should be charged. Hopefully it's getting fuel.
See what happens.
See if it'll bust off.
Well, all that just to change a rear belt, huh?
Yeah.
Been a process.
That's what all that clacking is, that dry clutches and everything.
Oh yeah, she rattles, doesn't it? Finish buttoning it up. Look at that covers on.
Fancy covers on the back
Fancy
and
covers. Just glad it started up. What in the world?
Huh?
Never mind.
That one?
Back one. Ain't that the other day? Fuel tank? Yeah. Come on now, you almost there. Then it's time for a bath.
Yeah. Doesn't hurt.
Clean this thing up some. Alright, I guess that's about it.
Not it.
Not it.
Alright, got them fancy caps on. She'll be happy about that. Pink filter.
Gotta love the pink.
Alright, so we finally got this thing back together. We done for the day. Got the belt on it, clutch back on it, drive belt back on it, little red marks, shifter lever. So with that, I hope it helped somebody. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like, subscribe button, and join us again next time for another great video.